Machine by Laura Mucha. Sometimes my thought machine makes thoughts like, that went well, or you're doing great, or you've got this. But sometimes it makes thoughts like, that was terrible, or how embarrassing, or what a mess. When that happens, I dance, write, run, sing, listen to music, talk, swim. I think of one thing I like about myself. Nice earlobes, or great dancing, or excellent jokes. And I set about my day. And somehow, that pesky little thought machine tends to think more positive things, like, that went well, you're doing great, you've got this. And I have.
Dropping the Ball by Rochelle, Burgess
and Laura Mucha. Did I hear that right?
I couldn't have.
Mum said it might happen one day.
I must have got it wrong.
I thought he was my friend.
I thought he was kind.
My face is hot.
Everyone's looking now.
But black people don't blush, so
maybe no one will notice.
I'll pretend I'm fine.
She's being so brave.
I know. I'll get the ball.
Should I say something?
I can't move.
Should I give her a hug?
Did he even say it?
I don't know.
Stupid monkey.
I know. I'll get the ball.
My hands are shaking.
And hold her hand.
Oh, maybe I'm not so
she doesn't feel so
alone.
If Only by Laura Mucha. If only they told me that Granny would die, I would have asked her questions like, what should I be when I grow up? Are you proud of me? Where are you going? I would have said, is it my fault? Can I make you better? Will I catch it? I would have whispered, are you scared? Will you miss me? Will I be okay? If only they told me that Granny would die, I would have asked her all these questions. I would have said goodbye.
Albatross by Laura Mucha. If I were an albatross, I would share my anger with the wind, drop my sadness into depths of the valleys, and let my emptiness float above the trees. If I were an albatross, I would let my worries slip from the tip of my wings, leave my loneliness to slide from the curve of my beak, and wander at the wild of the water below. If I were an albatross, I would soar above the Antarctic Sea and leave all the mess of moving home, moving school, and Dad leaving behind.